In this video I want to summarize our course and give you a few options what you can do the next. So first of all, I would recommend you to read the two great books. It's Pro Git and Version Control with Git. So the first one, it's absolutely free and you can find it on Git site. On Git site you can go to Pro Git and here you can find this book. You can download it for PDF format or for your electronic book, and here is described a lot of additional information, how it works inside, how to work with GitHub, with different tools. It's a really great tool. It's a really great book. Also, there is another book which you can find on Amazon. It's not free, but anyway it's very useful, and it will be great if you will read it also. So and here I added a few additional comments. You can try to use it. In this video I will not show you how it works, but you can copy these comments and try on your project, or you can read about this project in these books or internet. So the first one is git init. From the beginning in this course I showed how we can clone repository from your repository server. It was GitHub, but sometimes you can just create your Git on your local machine and do not connect it to remote repository, and when you call git init, it just create Git. It will create Git repository on your machine without remote servers. Also, we already used two commands for configure your name email, and there is one more. It's a core.editor. By default, as you remember, Git opens editor v, but it's very old and not the best option. So here you can configure path to your editor and call, for example, Sublime or Notepad++. The next command, git blame, it can show, you can put path to file and it will show who edited this file, who and when. Also, the next one is bisect. It will allow you to apply binary search for your repository. So for example, if you have back in some commit and this commit was made between a couple of months and a lot of commits, this operation will help you in a few steps to find this commit. The next one is logs. We already used pretty oneline. It shows a small version of log, and also you can try to run it with graph parameter. It should build the whole Git repository structure with branches on your console. Also, you can create your own alias commands. For example, here you can create new command. It calls last, and then when you call git last, it will show you one last commit from your repository. Also, it can show you a log between two branches, difference with master and your experiment or feature branch. It's a feature name. The next one is very dangerous command. It's filter branch, and it allows you to apply some command to this tree. For example, we can remove passwords.txt file from all files in your tree. Let's imagine that you created a match request and there is file with a password or some security information, and it should be deleted. So this command can remove this information from the history, and nobody will find this information. But what you need to be careful, it's a really dangerous command, so I would recommend you to create a copy of your repository and run this command there, and if everything will be okay, you can run it on your own, because as I mentioned, it deletes history from your repository. The next one, it's a very interesting command, rerere. It means reuse recorded resolution. So in Git you can specify some patterns of your code, how it should be resolved, and Git will, when it will find these patterns, it can resolve conflicts automatically. And the last one, it's a submodule. It allows you to create Git repositories inside your Git repository. Yes, it's possible, and you can try it after this course. So, and that's it from my side, and I would recommend you to try these commas and do not stop learning and learn something new in the next courses. See you, thank you for watching.